Today we're gonna be trying out the Uuuuu Magical Nail Extension Kit. Forgive me if I'm saying that wrong, but it's basically this kit that transforms gel nail stickers into nail extensions. This is like the easiest form of nail extensions I've ever seen. I do my own nail extensions at home all the time. It takes a lot of different products and a lot of time, typically 2 to 3 hours for me. I'm obviously not a professional, but it's really cool to see a kit like this to hopefully simplify that whole process and still give me cute, long-lasting results. So here is what the kit comes with. We get 24 extension tips, the glazed glossy gel top coat, and a pack of gel nail stickers. I didn't love the design that came with the kit, but luckily you can use this kit with any of their other gel nail stickers, so I did purchase another design that I liked more. My nails are all clean and ready for application, so let's get started. Step 1 is to apply the gel nail strip to my nail. So first I'm just gonna kind of size the stickers to my actual nail to see which would be the best fit. Now I have to pick out the correct size extension to put over the stickers so when I cure it, it'll hopefully mold into that shape. Oh wait, I was worried it wouldn't stick, but oh, I think that's the one I have to go with because it feels stuck on there. Next step is to cure that for a minute. That was 60 seconds, so I'm gonna take the tip off now and see if that sticker has actually hardened. Okay, it honestly did harden a lot. I assume with the top coat, it'll feel even stronger. Now I'm just gonna take this little file and just shape it the way I want it to look. I actually like how this is looking so far, so now I'm just gonna take the top coat, apply that, and cure it. So my nails are done and they definitely feel sturdy, but in more of like a press-on way than a gel extension way. I don't know, I just feel like they're still a little too flimsy for them to last as long as I want them to, but I guess we'll see. I will say that the UV lamp that this kit comes with really does slow you down because it does take you 3 to 5 minutes to do each individual nail. If you had a bigger UV lamp, it would obviously go a lot faster, but I didn't love how long it took because of that little lamp. It doesn't say how long these extensions are meant to last, but I'm gonna wear them for the next 2 weeks. When I do my normal gel extensions at home, they last me around 2 to 3 weeks, so I feel like that's a good enough wear time. So let's see how long these actually last. So they lasted a whole day. I have no idea what happened. First, I woke up this morning and both of my pinky nails were missing. It was very shocking. I still haven't even found them yet. Hopefully I do before my dog does. Also, one of my middle fingernails was just completely broken. How I broke a nail in my sleep, I don't know, but it happened. As the day went on, I kept breaking more and more nails, especially on my right hand. That's my dominant hand, so I always expect a little bit more wear and tear on it, but not this much. It's never been this bad. Like, I just put these on yesterday afternoon. I'm really disappointed because this is actually a really good idea. Like, I've always wanted a really quick way to do gel extensions, but they just don't last. I definitely think it's a structure issue. The sticker is just not solid or sturdy enough, even with that gel top coat underneath. Plus, there's no primer or base gel involved like there is with regular gel extensions, so it's just a sticker on my bare nail. The nails did look super cute, but if they don't last, not even for a few days, I really don't see the point.